Today I'm drawing with my Procreate and using Apple Pencil. I did 4 steps my drawing. First sketching, second thicken line, third coloring, and the last but not least is shading. I'm already draw the sketch. First, we need go to the action menu, pick canvas, and turn on the reference. So I'm just to hold my finger or my pen so we can pick the same color with our reference. Now, I'm started drawing the line. I'm using red and the black line for this drawing. For the front man, I'm using drawing guide to help me draw the symmetry lines. We can choose to do grid, isometric, perspective, and symmetry. For my case, I'm using symmetry. And I move the guidelines so they are in the center of the image. We can adjust the opacity and the thickness of our guideline. After that, I'm just draw on the one side, and the other side will be drawn automatically. Now let's draw the entire face. For the VIP man, I'm just thicken the sketch with the color I want. Now we go to the step number 2, coloring. I choose the red color for the jumpsuit and the black for the mask. For coloring, you just drag the color you want to your picture. If you fail to color the part you want and make the whole canvas fill with color, you have to set the color drop threshold. Hold your hand or pencil when dragging the color you need. Then drag to left to make lower the number. I'm coloring front man with the yellow, brown, and dark brown. Now, we go to the step number 3, shading. Make a new layer in the bottom our coloring layer. Go to the menu, click clipping mask to the shading layer. Now we can make a shading and lighting without worrying getting out of the line. And we can rename with the shading layer. First of all, we have to decide the direction the light is coming from. I'm using a round brush. that, we can make the color lighter from the base color as the part that is exposed to the light, and the darker color as the part that is not exposed to the light, or we can say is a shadow. So this is the sketch, and this is the result. Thank you for watching.